Sick of the mess of wires in your car? Well, we've got the solution. In this video, we're covering the top 5 wireless CarPlay adapters for iPhone. Our best picks includes CarEase, TERUNSOUL, vnilrgle, Amzfeel, and Jemluse. Each one offers different features like easy setup, stable connections, and a wire-free experience. Watch all 5 to figure out which one works best for your needs. Before we start, check out the links to all products in the description below. And one thing, hit that like button to make us happy today. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Jemluse Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This model offers a strong performance with its 8-core processor and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, ensuring fast data transfer with minimal latency. It's compatible with iPhone 6 and newer, supporting iOS 10 Plus and works with cars from 2015 onward. What stands out is the adapter's durability. Its aluminum construction is heat-resistant and can withstand temperatures ranging from -20 degrees to +70 degrees, making it suitable for long trips. The installation process is simple, with a plug-and-play design that requires no complicated setup. The adapter also features seamless auto-connect functionality, meaning it automatically reconnects with your iPhone every time you start your car. In terms of functionality, it supports all core CarPlay features: navigation, music, Siri voice commands, phone calls, and text messages, allowing you to use your car system with ease. With its compact size and lightweight design, it doesn't clutter your car's interior. Plus, the 365-day warranty gives you peace of mind in case you encounter any issues. If you're looking for a reliable, durable adapter that delivers on performance, this is a strong option. At number 4, we have the Amzfeel Wireless CarPlay Adapter, Mini Edition. This ultra-compact model is perfect for those looking for a sleek, minimalistic solution. It converts wired Apple CarPlay to wireless seamlessly and supports all the core CarPlay features, including navigation, music, Siri voice commands, and phone calls. What makes this adapter stand out is its size. It's small enough to not interfere with other car systems or take up too much space. Despite its small design, it doesn't sacrifice performance, offering a stable connection through its upgraded IC chip. This adapter is compatible with iPhones running iOS 10 Plus and works with cars from 2015 onwards. The setup is simple. Just plug it into your car's USB port, and it will automatically reconnect each time you start your car. The adapter uses dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, providing a stable connection even when other devices are connected. If space-saving and simplicity are your priorities, this is a great option. Plus, the adapter features intelligent auto connect, so you can enjoy a seamless driving experience every time you get in the car. At number 3, we have the vnilrgle Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This model is ideal for those looking for a high-speed, low-latency experience. With dual-band Wi-Fi support, 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, it ensures a stable and fast connection, minimizing interference and providing a smooth, lag-free experience. The vnilrgle adapter supports iPhone 6 Plus and newer models with iOS 10 and above, and works with cars from 2015 onward. The setup is quick and easy, thanks to its plug-and-play design. Just plug it into your car's USB port, and it will automatically pair with your iPhone. One of the standout features is its no-latency performance, which is essential for real-time applications like navigation, streaming music, and making phone calls. This ensures a smooth and seamless connection without any noticeable delays. Additionally, it supports voice control, steering wheel controls, and touchscreens, providing full integration with your car's original system. If you value a high speed, reliable connection, and smooth functionality, this model is an excellent choice. At number 2, we have the TERUNSOUL Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This adapter is known for its broad compatibility, supporting over 800 car models and working with iPhones from iPhone 10 and newer. It's compatible with cars that have wired Apple CarPlay and supports iOS 10 Plus and above. Installation is straightforward. Just plug the adapter into your car's USB port, and it will automatically pair with your iPhone. After the initial setup, it will reconnect automatically every time you start your car, whether your iPhone is in your pocket or elsewhere. The TERUNSOUL adapter features an upgraded A7S smart chip, which ensures a stable and fast wireless connection, reducing latency and interruptions. It supports full CarPlay functionality, including navigation, calls, music, and Siri voice control. This adapter also maintains your car's original audio quality, so you won't experience any degradation in sound. The compact aluminum housing design ensures durability, and the included USB to USB-C converter offers added versatility for different port types. If compatibility and ease of use are top priorities, the TERUNSOUL adapter is a great choice. At number 1, we have the CarEase Wireless CarPlay Adapter 2024 upgrade. This adapter is a solid choice for those looking for a reliable and hassle-free solution. It works with iPhones running iOS 10 Plus and cars from 2015 onward. The installation process is incredibly easy. Just plug it into your car's USB port, and it will automatically connect to your iPhone without requiring any additional apps or drivers. The 2024 upgraded Smart IC chip ensures a stable, fast connection with reduced latency, so you can navigate, stream music, make calls, and use Siri without delays. This adapter supports all CarPlay features, including voice control, steering, wheel controls, and touchscreen inputs, ensuring full integration with your car's system. The CarEase adapter's compact design fits seamlessly into your car's interior, while its durable construction, made with braided cables and heat-dissipating materials, ensures longevity. It's compatible with over 800 car models and includes a USB to USB-C converter, offering flexibility for different vehicle setups. Plus, the 365-day warranty and lifetime technical support add peace of mind. If you're looking for a well-rounded, reliable, and easy-to-use wireless CarPlay adapter, the CarEase option is the top pick. Thanks for watching. We hope this breakdown of the best wireless CarPlay adapters for iPhone helped you find the right one for your car. Whether you're looking for easy installation, no latency, or seamless wireless connectivity, we've got you covered. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to shop these top-rated CarPlay adapters. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best tech for your car. See you in the next one!